when we're working these problems, I find it's best to kind of make a little table to define what we don't know and then give it like an assigned variable or a letter. So when we start writing it out, we'll see that the equation kind of writes itself. So we read through this. A bird of species A, when diving, can travel 5 times as fast as a bird of species B top speed. If the total speed for the two birds is 210 miles per hour, find the fastest speed of bird species A and the fastest speed of bird species B. So what we have is bird A and bird B. Those are the two things we want to know, the speeds of these two birds. Now it tells me that bird A can travel 5 times as fast as bird B. So that tells me that I need to call bird B just my basic variable x. Bird A is going to be 5 times that, since it's traveling 5 times the speed, so 5 times x. Whenever I see one of my unknowns, it can be written as some mathematical operation of the other. I write the other, in this case species B, as just my variable x, and then I use that statement of the first one to write the first one in terms of the same variable. Now it tells me the total speeds, so I'm going to add these up. The total speed is 210. Well, now it's just a simple equation. I combine like terms and solve. That'll give me x. Remember, x represents bird B. So I'm going to write that down here at the bottom so I remember that. And then 5 times that same number will give me bird A. So when I add 5x and x together, remember there's an implied 1 here in front of an x if it doesn't have a number in front of it. So 5x plus 1x is 6x. So to solve this for x, I need to undo this multiplication by 6. So I'm going to divide by 6, which means I have to do that to the other side. So x equals 210 divided by 6 is 35. So since x is 35, that means bird B's top speed is 35 miles per hour. And bird A is 5 times that, which is 175 miles per hour. And you can use a calculator to find that or to find this division if you can't do that in your head. And that's all there is to it. Just make sure you keep your information lined up, what each thing in the problem represents. Write it from the statement 5 times in this case, so 5 times, and then keep track of it at the bottom too. Once you get it to write it in terms of an equation, it's pretty straightforward.